Guys, this is interview from Minecraft Pocket Edition. So today I'm going to show you how to make a refrigerated Minecraft Pocket Edition. So we store food in chests in old-fashioned way. Minecraft is getting updated and we have to update ourselves of storing food. For example, a refrigerator or a double door. Okay, let's start. All you need to do is have 2 blocks of quartz or wooden planks or whatever block you want. Add 2 dispensers, an iron door, and put something inside the dispensers, food, and add lever or button. If you have lever, it will open the door and have the food until you close. In button, it will automatically give food and close. So I prefer buttons. We got a working fridge without any mods. So if you like the video, please subscribe and put a like. I will put a daily video or a weekly.